your throne. Wonke umuntu une-throne. It's not only amakhosi nje lapha. Every individual, you have a throne that you're supposed to sit upon. Sibona ngezenzo vele ukuthi uyayideserve that throne. Ngokuthi umamela wonke amakhosi namakhosikazi ahlala kulesihlalo kumele kube abantu besambulelo. Divine knowledge has got to come down. Ungabi parrot, the intellectual. I know my professor said we use this model. Outside this model, then I say, asinkosi le, asinkosi ka. Upinda. Loku akuzwile from the colonizer. Remember, the colonizer doesn't want you to question.
Yeah.
But to implement whatever orders they give you. You can't then say, Guti, because we're now a professor, who pass Harvard. Huh? You found your throne.
No.
Banjan.
Okay.
Kusasa kuhamba ngenyawo phambi kwabantu. Awungafiki lapho.